We make high-end bicycle components for both road, mountain, and e-mountain bikes. I'm Diraj Madura. I'm the Global Industrial Design Manager for SRAM Corporation. Weight, stiffness, and cost are the three big players that we have to work around. And obviously within that, we have to work within manufacturing constraints. We have to know the manufacturing process that we're going to be designing to. In a lot of ways, it limits us right off the bat. We try to use technology as much as we can, where we can. And especially in our industry, where we're really trying to push those limits, we feel like the traditional methods have kind of hit the wall. As things move forward and our products get more complicated, we're going to have to look at new methods and new tools. That's why we're here.
When people walk away from the Generative Design Lab, I want them to say, wow, I didn't know I could do that. We're able to put Fusion 360 with generative design and using some of our other showcase products, be able to bring this all together at one place where you'll be able to be totally immersed in our lab and get that generative design experience.
This is a very cool incubator for us to grow our knowledge and understanding. The opportunity space for us to improve our products is actually to look at new manufacturing methods and modeling methods, and that's why we think generative design and additive manufacturing could help us get there. We're going to get different results that we can get with the traditional methods. We may be able to get rid of manufacturing processes so that we're not looking at multiple parts. Maybe we can design it into one or two. So there's a lot of optimization, I think, that could happen using generative and additive manufacturing. We're out making the fastest bikes possible out there. We're really excited to get there using that technology.